Welcome to Purple Crafters. Today we're gonna learn the basics of origami for beginners. Let's go ahead and learn some history with origami. The word origami comes from two words, ori, which means to fold, and kami, which means paper. Now the modern renaissance of the craft has been inspired by Akira Yoshizawa. He actually set down initial set of symbols for the standard Yoshizawa Randlet system that Robert Harbin and Samuel Randlet later improved upon. Now most of the traditional origami diagram starts with a square base of paper. There's actually a lot of origami bases that we can learn, but we're going to tackle just a few of the bases today and folds. So let's go ahead and learn some of the basic symbols, folds, and bases to help you read an origami diagram properly. So you're gonna need a square sheet of paper. You can buy this one from Daiso. So this is what it looks like. It's the same color on either side. Now if you don't have these kind of paper, you can just use a regular colored paper and then we can make a square out of it. So how do we make a square out of it? You just align the top edge to one of the sides diagonally to make sure that the points are aligned at the top and the edges are aligned. So it'll be a perfect square. Alright, so make a crease and then fold the bottom part. Align it with the edge of the square. Fold it once and then fold it the other way to weaken the crease. And then once the crease is already weak, then you can just tear it off, or you can just use a pair of scissors. There you have it. So this one is actually better because it's a bigger square. Or let's just use the smaller square for demonstration purposes. So the first fold that we are going to do is the mountain fold. So why is it called the mountain fold? It's this symbol. It's because when you fold the paper, you're going to create a mountain towards you, depending on the side of the paper you're working on. So let's say the diagram shows that colored side up, fold it this way. Now the next fold is the valley fold, and it's this symbol. It's a broken line with dots, line dots. So why is it called a valley fold? And you just need to form a valley towards you if the diagram shows that the paper should be color side up. So let's do a vertical valley fold. Alright, so this symbol means that you just need to fold and unfold. So let's say you just need to make a crease diagonally, just make a fold and then unfold. Now this symbol means that you just need to turn the paper over. Now next is the squash fold. So fold the paper as shown. Then when you open it up, you just need to squash the paper down to follow the diagram. Next is the reverse fold. So we have two types of reverse fold, the outside and the inside reverse fold. Now let's say we need to create an inside reverse fold, so just crease the paper as shown, and then you have to open up the paper and then make the folds in reverse towards the inside. Now the opposite of that, of course, is the outside reverse fold, where we have to reverse the fold towards the outside of the crease. So this is the outside reverse fold and the inside reverse fold. So the first one is the square base. Now it's easier if you always do valley folds, because you just need to lift one side of the paper and fold it towards the other side of the paper. So just fold the paper horizontally and vertically. Make sure the edges are aligned properly. Then turn the paper over. Make diagonal folds. You also need to make sure that the points, the edges, are perfectly aligned. And then open up the paper while facing towards you. Hold the paper here on the horizontal fold and then collapse the paper as shown. And there you have it, square base. Now this next one is the Waterbomb Base. Similar to the square base in terms of the folds. Alright, so let's fold it horizontally and diagonally. Turn the paper over. Fold it diagonally. Both sides. Hold the paper on the diagonal creases and collapse it as shown. There you have it, the Waterbomb Base. So now let's do the Blintz fold or the Blintz base. You just need to fold the paper horizontally and vertically as well. Line the edges properly. Open up the paper completely and then fold all the tips of the four corners to the center of the paper. And that's why you have this symbol, the repeat symbol. So you just need to repeat the fold, this fold, to all four corners. So let's do that. Now we have the Blintz base. The last but not the least is the bird base. This is a little bit complicated, but since we already know how to fold the square base, let's start with that. So fold the paper, do valley folds horizontally and vertically. easier this way. And it also really helps if you make sure that the edges are properly aligned. Turn the paper over and then do diagonal valley folds as well on all corners. Open up the paper, hold it on the horizontal crease, and then collapse the paper. You should have a square. Now, on one flap on the right side, fold this edge towards the middle. There should also be a crease in the middle where you can align this. And then repeat on the left side. Now turn the paper over. And then repeat on this side. Fold top triangle down, unfold. And the creases that we made earlier, lift the top flap up, making the crease that we did at the top triangle, and then do a squash fold on either side, both sides of the paper. Turn the paper over. Let's repeat what we did on the other side. And the flaps up this top here. Then with the creases that we made earlier, go ahead and make squash folds. And there you have it, bird base. And thank you for watching this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you like this tutorial. Also go ahead and hit the bell icon to get notified of future videos like this. Again, thanks for watching Purple Crafters.